Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am just another Sneha. I make videos on skincare, haircare, health. If you like watching such content, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Today's video is all about the benefits of pumpkin. I'll be uploading this video in two parts. In today's video, I'm going to share a pumpkin hair mask, and in the next video, I'm going to share a pumpkin face mask. So make sure you watch that video as well. For now, let's get into this video. The first ingredient is pumpkin puree. It contains potassium and zinc, encourages collagen production, promotes hair growth, fights scalp infections, strengthens the hair shaft. The next ingredient is honey. Honey conditions the hair, makes them smooth and lustrous, and keeps the scalp healthy. Next, we'll add 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel. It prevents hair breakage, reduces dandruff, and acts as a natural conditioner. The last ingredient is coconut oil, which makes hair thicker and healthier, treats dry damaged hair, and is great for preventing frizz. So that's all for today guys. I'll be uploading the second part of this video in a couple of days. So stay tuned, and if you like today's video, then make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon so that every time I post a new video, you will get notified. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.